Good day, fellow investors. Today we will be discussing a trade with a huge profit potential. So which stock does this trade include? It includes Disney stock. So as you can see, Disney is in a big downtrend right now. But the question is, when will it stop going down and go back up again? Well, it might be sooner than expected. Because, as you can see, it's touching some big resistance right here from the COVID crash. And again, some resistance from 2014, which you could argue could be a reversal point. So how would we trade this? First, we should look at signs of a reversal. Like with the RSI, we can see that it has formed a higher high, even though in the chart it has formed a lower low, which could be a signal for reversal. Also, it's right now above the 50 and the 20 moving average, and if these two change and cross back up, like the 50 is below the 20, it could also be a signal for reversal. So when should you trade this? You could start, of course, trading it right now, which would be the most risky possibility, but could give you a huge upside potential. So your stops should always be below this recent low, in this case $78.63. And you can pick different profit targets. In this case you could pick, the lowest would be $95, which would give you a 1.8 times profit. Then $103, which would give you 3 times profit. $118, which would give you 5.8 times profit. $126, which would give you 7 times profit, and so on. In this case, let's say $144 would give you 10 times profit. $157 would give you 12 times profit. $158 would give you 17 times profit. $200 would give you 20 times profit, and that's it. These are all resistance points with many different areas where they touched these resistance points in the past too. So the highest you can get with this trade would be 20 times your investment in, let's say, 1 to 2 years around that time. But you can get much more sooner with lower targets. And you can, of course, take profit at some of these levels and then let it maybe rise to 200 if you want to, depending on how long you want to be in this trade. The next possibility, which would be safer and would give you a better profit win to loss ratio, would be to wait for a confirmed uptrend. In this case, you would wait for it for price to go above $86.52, which is a recent high, and then you would buy it. If it has a strong candle up, crossing above this line, you would enter the position, which would in this case be a bit higher. Let me see. Let's say it goes to $88.30, stop loss at the same level, and our profit target would be, our profits would be a bit lower but still really decent. In this case it would be a profit of 11 times, which is still really decent for this trade over the long term. So these would be both the trading possibilities. You could of course wait for the indicators to cross, but that could take longer than you want to. So I would probably enter when it goes above this high and does a confirmed uptrend, or you could enter, or you could wait a bit longer, but then you may lose some of the profit of this trade. So I would take this trade, wait for it to go above 86.52, wait for a big green candle, then enter the trade around 88.30, or at the close of the candle. Then put your stop at $78.63, and then you can choose one of these profit targets: $94.57, $103.74, $118, $126.07, $144.26, $157.11, $185.12, or $201.42. Choose one of these profit targets. The highest is the best, but I would pick two, and maybe $147.11 and the highest, and you can get a good return on your money. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. And comment if you want to see me look at another stock and in which direction this will move. And of course, and if you want to, you can watch this video about a nice trade which would give you 300% return in less time if you click on the link on the screen right now. See you, bye.